how to fix Instagram limit problem easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix the limit problem easily and fast. First thing, open the settings, open the apps, go to the apps and then scroll until you find the Instagram app and click on it. When you find the Instagram and you click on it, it will take you directly into this page right here. So all what you want to do next is click on this force stop option and then go to the storage, click on clear data and clear cache. Go back again, click on the data usage and make sure to enable the mobile data and the Wi-Fi and the roaming data and disable only the background data like this. And then you have to go back, and now the last step you want to do is click on the power usage details and click down here on this force stop as you can see. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.